Okay, let's do it. Oh my God. Kinabahan ako. I don't know why. Plus, it's dark here. It's night time and... Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Pinayanos here in Australia, and tonight we're gonna do another reaction video. A friend of mine, Kay Sala, she sent me a message and says like, ate, request ko. Request ko. Yan yung nasa message niya. And tapos sabi niya, if I can do a reaction video about sa Loco holophonic, and I have no idea what's that. And then she just said, it's trending in TikTok. And I don't have a TikTok. No, actually, that's not right. I have a TikTok, but hindi ko pa ginagamit masyado. Meron ako mga 2 video lang. Tapos, yun nga. Tapos sabi niya, use an earphones daw para pakinggan ko. By the look of the picture, mukhang horror. Horror yata to. Horror movie or something. So, yeah. So, ito-check natin and let's do a reaction about it. I never heard it yet, didn't see it, so I don't know how I'm gonna react. So yeah, I don't know. Kinabahan na ako. If you can feel my fingers, my hands, it's already freezing cold. Well, it's nearly winter in Australia. Maraming mga ano ba? Ching. Kung ano yung sabihin ko, meron talaga akong pang bawi. So yeah, so check natin. So come on, let's go. Let's do a reaction video of this Loco holophonic film. I think that's what it's called. So, come on, join me. Let's go. Okay, let's do it. Oh my God. Kinabahan ako. I don't know why. Plus, it's dark here. It's night time and... Okay. So, headset, earphones, and let's click it. Ay, hold on. I'll make it big. Hey, go. Why you can't make it big? How can I make it big? Hold on guys. Ba't wala akong marinig? Wala ba talagang sounds to? Ayan na. Okay, nag-umpisa na. It's in full blast now, my headset, so I'm just hoping no one will... No? Okay. Ano ba to eh? Hold on. Stop. The picture. Naka-standby lang siya. Parang ano lang, still. Hindi siya gumagalaw. So, makikinig lang talaga ako sa sound. Tapos maraming mga door na bang, bang. And my headset is already blast on. So, I'm just hoping na walang sisigaw dito. Alright, go again. Alright, go. Tumatakbo. It's running. Ush. Puti. Pahinaan ko lang konti kasi okay. They're giggling. Oh my goodness. Sisigaw to ba? Oh, now they're crying. And they're laughing. Sounds like a possess. Sisigaw to. Uji. Ben. Uji. Loco, 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 loco. I'll put a little bit low. Someone's whispering like loco, 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 loco. Loco, 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 loco da. I can hear some. Oh, I'm glad it's Spanish, so it's not really scary. I can hear like glass sounds like tinkling. Oh my goodness. It's getting closer. They're calling their mom. Oh shit. It's so quiet. What's that noise? Uh-oh. There's a harmonica sounds. Snip, snip, snip. Are they in mental hospital or something? They're running. I can hear footsteps running and a pop sounds. Yeah. Mm. Oh. It's done. Oh, okay. It's finished. All right. I'm gonna do my reaction. All right. Ah. It's not that scary. There's like a lot of screaming on your ears, and I think that's the one makes you like a bit of jumpy. And when they keep closing the door, but all in all, I'm not really scared. A bit of like, what's gonna happen next? Is there gonna someone screaming on my ears? But all in all, hindi ako masyadong natakot. I'm not really scared. Just maybe a little bit. But yeah, it's fine. Whew, I'm alive. Kinabahan pa naman ako masyado. But yeah, the beginning, it's a bit intense kasi hindi mo alam. You don't know what's gonna happen next. But later on, yung mga 3 minutes na siya, parang you will get used to it, of the noise, that like, the giggling and the running and the sounds of the tinkling glasses. After that, parang, yeah, okay now. Yeah. So, yeah, for me, hindi siya masyadong like scary talaga na mapapasigaw ako. So, yeah, that's my reaction kay Sala. That's my reaction, guys. So, hindi pala siya masyadong nakakatakot. So, yeah, that's it. That's our reaction for the Loco. Ano nga yun ulit? Loco. Ano nga yun? Ay, go away. Loco holophonic. Yeah. So, hindi siya scary. But, thank you for your recommendation. And if you have any recommendation out there, mga friends, people all over the world, if you want me to do another reaction, just comment down below and I will try to get back at you as soon as possible. And I will do a reaction video. So, that's it. I hope you enjoy my reaction. It's kind of a bit, I don't know. But yeah. And hopefully I'll see you soon. Once again, a Pinay and Oz here in Australia saying bye-bye and thank you. And oh, please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your bell notification for more videos to come. And I'll see you soon. Signing out, a Pinay and Oz saying bye-bye. Thank you guys. And thank you, Kay Sala, for your recommendation. Thanks, Dai. Bye.